Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Sunday the 24th of February. And I've dug out most of that bit, and yes, that is garlic. And I did plant garlic there a couple of years ago, and then last year did nothing. So it's obviously carried on. So I'm just going to leave it and see what it grows into in about June, July. Fetch it out and see what I've got. I've fetched out another bucket full of bindweed from the back. Have I got it all? No. Am I going to do any more? Behind me apple tree, which I have pruned a bit more. Possible. Will it make a difference? Probable. Have I had enough? Yes. But it's still sort of a junk pile here, but this is how it normally is, and it'll slowly get sorted out. But I'm chuffed. I've done that, so I'm now working out what's actually going to go in there. Not sure, but the thing I'm most pleased about is I'm way ahead of time anyway. I didn't intend on tackling any of this garden until March. It isn't yet March, and I've sorted out that bit, and I've sorted the new chicken house and run, and all round here. So from the fence to my front to the end of my garage at the back is now all sorted. Whoa, I've never been this ahead before. But I don't know if you'll make it out. I did sew the roof with some garden twine, so the chickens won't be able to get out. Although food and water containers are there, there's nothing in them at the moment. It's just I put them there basically because I cleaned them all up, and I wanted to put them somewhere, so why not there? I've even got it ready with the grit and that bowl grit next to it. I put sawdust down on the floor and inside the chicken coop, and we've done the nest box, and I'll show you it now. It's held by this wire, this front is, so Mason won't be able to open the drawer and the chickens won't be able to push it, but I can open it with one hand and pull it out. And yes, although it looks like an egg in there, it's a fake egg that I've used with me other chickens before, so that they get an idea where to go. So we're going to try it out. We haven't cut down the front end of the chicken nest box. We'll see if they actually use it. If they don't, then we'll cut it down so it doesn't get any easier. We'll actually see how they go, but I need two hands to hook it back on, so I'll do that in a second. But things are getting sorted. My knees are killing me again. So yes, again, I probably won't do any sewing. Still haven't done any more, and because with the weather being with me, I just want to be out here and get it sorted. If it's sorted and done, then I will use it. Last year I was just too overwhelmed with things. But the other things I want to do now here is paint me potting shed. And yes, I have planted some peas up and broad beans and leeks as well, but I want to paint this potting shed so it'll look really nice around here, and I will paint the fence as well. Just thought I'd share this with you. I'm now looking around outside because I've given up, and look at all the blossom I think that's either a nectarine or a peach tree that's round the front, but obviously I can see it from the back, and it's full of blossom. I've never had any fruit from it, so I've had blossom before, but never in February. Oh, forgot to show you today's finds. More potatoes, which I'm going to see if I can chop up again, and a couple of beetroots, which I don't think are going to be much good. They'll probably be very woody, but they'll either go in the compost bin or to my new chickens when I get them. So I'm just shattered, in pain, but happy, and hopefully the next video I put out will be my chickens. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.